One of the coolest things you can do in Adobe Fresco is create multi-color swatches. If I'm using a paintbrush, all right, and I want to put more colors than the simple color I have selected here from my color wheel into my bristles of my brush, I simply hold down this touch modifier here. I just touch that, and then with another finger, I touch anywhere on the canvas. And you'll see that in the top right corner, it tells me I'm selecting multiple colors. Now, if I let go, look over here at my color swatch, and you will see that it has multiple colors in it. Now, the next time I use this brush, check it out. It's painting with all those colors at once, okay? So this creates a swatch in my recents right here, and it's the most recent one there that has multiple colors in it, and I can use it with any brush. So if I come along to this chunky monkey brush and start painting, it's going to use all those colors as well. And any other brush I choose, even something like a halftone brush, like the daisy chain brush. So if I take the daisy chain brush and start painting halftones, look at that. There are multiple colors in there. See that? So this is a really powerful thing. It allows you to do all kinds of great stuff in Fresco. It also works with the watercolors and oils. Now, the best part about this is you're not stuck with these specific colors on your brush. If you like the arrangement of colors you have, but you want to change those hues, you can tap on the color and you can open up your HSB sliders. And here we go. I'm adjusting the hue. I can adjust the saturation, right? And I can create a completely different color swatch, all with the same arrangement on the bristles, okay? If you don't want to use the touch modifier, come on down to your eyedropper tool right here, and you'll notice that there are two modes at the bottom. We have a single color here and a multicolor here. So you can just drag that anywhere and do the same thing, okay? There you go, multicolor swatches in Fresco. They're innovative, they're very powerful, and they're very easy to use. Try it out.